Peace and blessings, kings and queens, and welcome back to my channel. I first want to thank you for clicking on the video because you didn't have to, but as always, I am so glad that you did. So guys, it's been a minute, right? So for those of you that follow me, you know that I moved from Fort Myers, Florida to back to Maryland for many reasons, but mostly because Hurricane Ian destroyed the home that I was in for 5 years. But also just because it really ran its course being in Florida. Do I miss 80-degree weather in February? Yes, but that wasn't enough to really keep me there or try to look for a place in Florida. It just truly ran its course. And it's nice being back around family and friends. I still have so many people to catch up with. Tomorrow, we're celebrating my mom's 70th birthday. So I'll be showing you guys some video from that and some photos and everything like that. But I just wanted to show you guys my face, let you know that I am still alive and I am still dedicated to making videos and content for this channel. I got to Florida on February 3rd. You guys seen that I had used the pods, storage containers to ship all my stuff from Florida to Maryland. So that arrived on the 10th of February. Everything went really, really smooth. I'll do a separate video on the cost and how everything went with pod and why I chose pods to move my things here. But that went great. But I am settling in now. It took me a while to even get to the point where I'm at because I still have so much to do. But I just wanted to show you guys that I am still alive and I am doing very, very well. I'm working my job from Florida transferred with me, so I didn't even miss a beat. But I do have a video for you guys that I want to do. Well overdue, you know. I have so much content that I want to bring to you all, but this video that I'm going to do is kind of a comparison video. I know a couple of months ago I had ordered I had purchased a doll from Target, the My Generation doll, and I told you guys that I wanted to buy an American Girl doll as well. So I did that, and there's also this doll called, I want to say the City Toy doll, or is it a Giddy Toy doll? I can't make out if it's a G or a C. So if you guys know, let me know down in the comments. But all these dolls are very similar, and they're all like knockoffs or, you know, replicas of the American Girl doll. Now, the American Girl doll that I got is a custom doll. I didn't get one of their dolls to have a backstory or anything like that. I custom made this doll. So I'm going to show you guys the process on how I ordered the doll, and then I'm going to unbox the doll and then do a comparison of all 3 dolls side by side. So stay tuned for that. Okay guys, so first thing I noticed about this is it is extremely heavy. I don't know what they have in this box, but it definitely seems like it's more than just a doll that I got from American Girl Doll. I was definitely not expecting it to feel this heavy. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Do you guys like this? My little box cutter. The box cutter that I was using in Maryland, I had to put it out to pasture. It was dull, and we did a nice little send-off and burial for it, but I could no longer really use it. But this is just a basic knife, but I just think it's really cute, right? I do have another box cutter coming, but for the time being, we are using this. I'm so congested, guys. Whenever I take a plane ride, I am so clogged up after the plane ride. It takes like 3 or 4 days for my ears to even release any of that pressure that I have in there. But then on top of that, I got like a cold. So as soon as my ears, you know, released all that pressure, I got a cold and I'm back to clogged up. And I'm really, really like congested. But we do what we do. We do what we can. So that's why I sound a little funny, guys. Alrighty. I will do a tour of my new place that I'm sharing with my niece and nephew a little later. And it's definitely a big difference from the trailer that I was in. It's so much more space here. So I believe I opened this up backwards, but hey, that's all right too. I'm like trying to figure out why this is so heavy. So, here it is. One of a kind, just like Tennille, because I am one of a kind. We all are. All right. I'm loving this little box. Are you guys ready to see the doll that I created? This is it here. Okay. So as you guys can see, I got her with freckles. I did get her with her teeth showing. I don't know if I did that with like braces or not. No, I don't think she has braces on, but she has her teeth showing. I got her little outfit, the little, I guess like punk rock or little edgy outfit, because that's kind of my style, with the ripped jeans and the little boots and everything. Okay, so she comes with some accessories. I'm going to put those to the side. I just want to get her out. I'm trying to figure out how she's in here. This away. I'm keeping this box. It's a great box. Pops off from around her neck. I'm really still trying to figure out why was it so heavy. I'm guessing maybe because of the the accessories that she came with. Okay, so here she is, guys. She has these cute little black boots on. They have some little built-in glitter and sparkle there. Little ripped jeans with the cuffs. And then she has this cute little checkered red and black shirt, and it does button up. And then she has this cute little tank top on that says "Live to Play." Let me go ahead and take her little hairnet off here. All right, so I got her with these beautiful little ringlets. Believe it or not, when my hair grow out, it looks pretty much like this. So I kind of got her to pretty much look like me besides the little freckles and everything. And one little factor that I got that I really wanted to customize was her eyes. And I don't know if you guys can see it in the video, but I got one hazel eye and one, let me see if I could remember. I got one hazel eye and one blue eye. I don't know if you guys can see it in there. I'll make sure I have a picture so you can see the difference. So I was able to really customize her eye color like this. They really, when you're doing a custom doll like this, they really give you the option to customize it the way that you want. The nose, the face shape, the lips, the eye shape, the color, the hair, the outfits. They really give you a lot of choices to choose from. So I was very pleased with that overall experience. Now I'm gonna see what accessories she came with, because I honestly don't remember what I picked for her, but I know I got her some accessories. And I am just trying to see how I can keep her up like this without her falling. Or maybe I could just do her like that. All right. What accessories did I get for her? Okay, so this is just a little card to show you how to care for your doll. She is definitely going to be a display doll. I'm really not going to do a lot with her. So I'm thinking that this was probably what caused the box to be so heavy, is because these little headphones are very heavy. But she comes with some little headphones. She also comes with some glasses. And let me show you guys the headphones up close. There. Her glasses. And she comes with a cute little beanie. Like, truly, this is how I dress most of the time. A little lollipop. And this is supposed to be like a little display, or the main screen for this phone. That's cute. Let me put this together actually, see how that turns out. All right, so they have one where one side is like you getting an incoming call, from someone. And then on the back is like you're listening to some iTunes there. And then this one is a display of the weather. And on the back here is just the regular screensaver with the battery life and time and things like that. I'm going to go ahead and just put it on the basic screensaver with the time and the battery life. And this is what it looks like. Cute, right? That's very cute. All right, so, oh, more for the phone. This is the phone case. Oh, they really went all out with this, huh? So this little pink thing is the phone case. Oh, this is too cute. And then she comes with a little frappe, little drink that you can, like a little Starbucks drink. And then she comes with a little over-the-shoulder backpack. That's adorable. So those are all the goodies that she's come with. So overall, I am very pleased. Now, how much did this doll cost, you ask? The cheapest doll that I've seen on American Doll is like maybe, I want to say like maybe $70, and that might be a clearance sale or something like that. They have these like baby dolls, kind of like reborn dolls, and they're age appropriate. They're dolls, you know, from a young child up to people like myself and folks that collect dolls. So they are age appropriate. But to get her custom made was $220. I truly believe that, you know, well, you know what? I'm going to leave my opinion till the end of this video. I want to do the comparison with the other dolls. So let's stay tuned for that.